Hello and welcome to the Running the Linux OS workload in the OpenNebula screencast. In this video, we are going to cover the most convenient way to run a Linux-based virtual machine and build a Linux-based golden image with custom software. OpenNebula distributes Linux-based images via the public marketplace. To run virtual machines, you must have a virtual machine template, the blueprint for your instances. Images from the OpenNebula marketplace come bundled with the ready-to-use virtual machine templates. These can serve as a base for your custom templates or be used as is. OpenNebula contextualization package enable the management capabilities of the platform. These packages are pre-installed on every operating system image distributed via the marketplace. If you build an image yourself from scratch, you will need to install the context package as well. Images from the marketplace can be adjusted and turned into customized golden images containing your specific software, operating system hardening, performance tuning, and other necessary configurations and adjustments. Firstly, you must import the desired Linux operating system image from the marketplace. If needed, adjust the memory, CPU, virtual CPU, and other virtual machine features. Note that some of these can be overridden during the instantiation process. Instantiate the virtual machine template for immediate use or to create a custom golden image. Install software, fine-tune the operating system, or perform other necessary adjustments. Then save the operating system disk as an image or save the whole virtual machine as the virtual machine template and an image. Firstly, navigate to Storage, Apps, and use the search bar to locate the Ubuntu 2604 image. In this demonstration, we are using Ubuntu, but you can choose any operating system that suits your needs. Click the Import button and import the image, and ensure that the Export Associated Virtual Machine Templates option is toggled on. Select the data store where the image will be stored and click Finish. The data store must be of the image type. All images are located under the Images tab. Since an image is a snapshot of a disk, the download may take some time depending on its size. Now let's navigate to Templates, Virtual Machine Templates to make some adjustments. Select the Ubuntu 2604 template and click the Update button. Double the CPU value and then double the amount of memory. Then proceed to the next step. We will keep the disk size as is because we can scale it up anytime in the future. We need networking to connect to the virtual machine and install some custom software. By default, the template has no network cards attached, so let's add one. I'm going to pick a routable network that provides public internet access. As a final step, I will set the hostname pattern. The set_hostname key mapped to the $name variable ensures the hostname matches the virtual machine name in OpenNebula. The contextualization package supports many more configurations and functionalities. For more details, please refer to the official OpenNebula documentation. Once the template is saved, we can instantiate it. A template can be instantiated from either the virtual machine templates or the instances VMs tabs. Click the Create VM button. Select the Ubuntu 2604 template and proceed. Let's keep the default settings but change the name. We will set it to Ubuntu Nginx Golden Image to indicate that this virtual machine is being used to build a custom image with the Nginx web server. Finish the process by keeping all other settings as they are. The virtual machine is now deploying. You can navigate to the Logs tab to monitor the deployment in real time. Once the virtual machine is in the running state, we can open a VNC session to ensure that the guest OS has booted correctly and isn't stuck in a loop. As you can see, the virtual machine is running perfectly fine, so we can close the VNC tab. Since the virtual machine is connected to the network, we can now use a secure shell connection. OpenNebula comes with a set of handy command line utilities. One of them is 1VM, which can be used to quickly connect to a virtual machine. Note that in order to use this, the virtual network must be reachable from your content node, also known as the control plane. The hostname correctly matches the name of the virtual machine in OpenNebula, proving that the context package is working properly. Firstly, let's refresh the apt cache and install Nginx. Next, let's create a custom ccTL tuning policy with our overrides. Finally, we will set Nginx to start automatically on boot. Now stop the virtual machine by expanding the VM state dropdown and select the power off command. There are several ways to turn a deployed virtual machine into an image. For this demonstration, we will use Save as Template, which saves both the virtual machine configuration as a virtual machine template and all the disks as their respective images. This ensures all alterations are preserved. Once the virtual machine is powered off, click the Save as Template button. Give your new template an image name and wait for the process to complete. The golden image builder virtual machine is no longer needed and can be safely terminated. Now let's verify that our golden image works as expected by instantiating the new template. Select the newly created virtual machine template and proceed. Now let's instantiate two virtual machines in a single batch. Set the number of instances to 2 and leave the rest as is. The virtual machines are deploying. Let's wait until both switch to the running state. Now we will copy the IP address of the first virtual machine and navigate to it in a browser. As you can see, the Nginx is successfully serving the web page. Let's perform the same test with the second VM. The second virtual machine is also serving the page correctly. We have confirmed that the golden image was built successfully and contains all our adjustments. With this, we will conclude our screencast. We have shown how to import and run Linux-based workloads in an OpenNebula environment and how to build a custom golden image that serves an Nginx web server. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next screencast.